Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you were happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share your beautiful garden decor ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So we're at the hanging basket. Do not decorate only the ground. Look upward, hang basket filled with trailing flowers and green ones. And their friends, they add color to empty wall, fencing, balcony. As the plants grow, they create a beautiful waterfall effect. Decorate with solar light. Lighting changes the entry mood of a garden. Place solar light along pathway, walk, street light around tree. Hang lantern from hook or branches. A sunset garden become warm, peaceful and inviting without increasing your electricity bill. Create a butterfly garden. Weavers. Butterfly brings movement and beauty. Plant colorful flowers that bloom throughout the season. Avoid using harmful chemical whenever possible. Watching butterfly visit your garden make every day feel special. Use decorative paper. Papers are simple but elegant. Arrange white, black or natural stones around flower beds and trees. Create patterns or border using different color. Paper also help keep the garden neat and reduce need recycle old items into garden decor. Before throwing away old household items, think creative. An old leader can become a plant stand. A wooden crate can become a flower shelf. And old bicycles can hold basket full of flower. A metal watering can become a unique planter. Recycling save money while adding chapters and ferns. And viewers. Vertical garden. If your space is limited, decorate your wall. Attach wooden plant or shelf. Place small pot filled with herb or flower. Vertical garden are perfect for apartment and small pot. They save space, adding greenery. I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So, friends, try at home. So, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.